I really recommend doing that. Now we're going to talk about serious talk. Physical cyber attacks. Yes, it's an oxymoron. Don't try this at home. Actually, no, only try this at home. Maybe I'm not a lawyer, just know this exists, alright? But seriously, if you do attempt to try any of these, you will likely be committing a criminal offence. Please don't do them. I'm not a lawyer, I'm also not kidding. You will be caught. I am not kidding, seriously, you have been warned. Now, physical cyber attacks. Now, there's a whole bunch of things. Now, what does this look like? It looks like a USB. It's exactly what it's supposed to look like. It's a rubber ducky. There's lots of these. You can rebrand them as X companies, drop them, people plug them in, and what do? They're a keyboard. They don't look like a keyboard, they are a keyboard. Your computer trusts them as a keyboard. They can run 1,000 words per minute, pre-programmed scripts. Better than the best tip in Chesic. There's a whole bunch of things you can get from GitHub in order to deploy these. This is a bash bunny. This is a physical penetration tester's device. When it turns green, it's a hack machine. It's a keyboard, it's 2 gigabit Ethernet, it's an authoritative DHCP server, it's Flash, it's serial, it has on Linux box a dedicated serial console. It has pull credentials, installs backdoors, and still starts in seconds. This thing is amazing. There's GitHub repos, and look, it even attacks Android as well. Amazing. This is a great tool. You search engineer through the door, you get network and domain access where you walk in, and security stuff can go in the inside. Success, hooray. There's a great talk on this, it's called I Broke My Mum to Prison, Then We Had Pie. I really recommend you watch this. Now, what does this look like? This looks like a USB cable. This is now known as a USB harpoon. It actually deploys payload over power, over USB-C. So it used to be don't trust unknown USBs, now don't trust unknown power cables because they will infect your computer with unknown malware. This has got a Wi-Fi panel. This is a big version, this is a small version. Its idea is it's going to steal your credentials, it'll steal session IDs. It has an email portal, like a RMIT portal. Hey, put in your phone number. Also, public Wi-Fi. Hey, who's here's joined Macca's Wi-Fi? If I spun up Macca's Wi-Fi here, would you all join it automatically? Yes, you would. This is called a Wi-Fi cactus. It's designed to advance conferences. These are called Deauth Sandals. You can send Deauth frames every time you stamp your feet. Imagine trying to easy to make. So if your siblings are not being fortunate, you can say, "Don't make me put my foot down." They look like this. Isn't that amazing? What can you do about this? Constant Vision is what you need. Listen to my previous talk. Hang out with us at Discord. We had a podcast. Last one we had was from Troy Hunt, who did Have I Been Horned. I recommend hanging out with us. Thank you very much.